Transform your space with Stoneset. Imagine turning your old, tired surfaces into beautiful, functional spaces. With Stoneset's innovative products, transformation is just a step away. Our premium permeable paving install team and DIY resurfacer kits can breathe new life into existing surfaces, offering over 300 customizable stone options for a unique and durable finish. By using Stoneset products, you are not only increasing the value and beauty of your property, but you're also positively contributing to your community and the country. As Stoneset products assist with stormwater management, environmental sustainability, regulatory compliance, erosion control, heat island effect, and of course you are also helping maintain our beautiful waterways and the quality of water. So transform your space and the environment with Stoneset. Durable, beautiful and eco-friendly. The perfect solution for your property.